If you've ever opened Photoshop and thought, why is this font still showing up, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete fonts in Photoshop the right way, whether the font came from Adobe Fonts or whether it was installed directly on your Windows computer. This is a simple but important fix, especially if you want to clean up your font list, remove styles you never use, or get rid of a font that keeps showing in Photoshop when you don't want it there. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, if the font was added through Adobe Fonts, the easiest method is to deactivate it using the Creative Cloud desktop app. Open Adobe Creative Cloud on your computer and sign in if needed. Once it loads, click on the Apps tab at the top, then look over to the left-hand sidebar and choose Manage Fonts. This section shows all of the fonts that are currently active through your Adobe subscription. You can browse the list manually or use the search bar if you already know the name of the font you want to remove. When you find the font family you want to take out of Photoshop, click Deactivate or switch the toggle off next to it. As soon as you do that, Adobe will remove the font from your active list, and it should disappear from Photoshop almost immediately. This is the safest and cleanest way to remove Adobe fonts because you're not deleting any files from your system. You're simply turning off the font so it no longer appears in your design software. Now, if the font is not from Adobe Fonts and instead was installed manually on your Windows 11 computer, you'll need to remove it from the system font settings. This usually applies to custom fonts you downloaded from a website or font files like TTF and OTF that you installed yourself. To do that, press the Windows key on your keyboard and type fonts into the search bar. Then click Font Settings from the system menu that appears. Inside Font Settings, look for the Available Fonts section. Use the search bar there to type the name of the font you want to delete. Once the font shows up in the results, click on the font family to open its details. You should now see an Uninstall button. Click Uninstall and then confirm the pop-up if Windows asks you to verify the action. After that, Windows will remove the font file from your system and it should no longer appear in Photoshop. If you don't see the font disappear right away, close Photoshop completely and open it again. In some cases, Photoshop may need a quick restart before the updated font list refreshes. That's completely normal, so don't worry if it doesn't update instantly on the first try. Just to recap, if the font came from Adobe Fonts, deactivate it in Creative Cloud. If it was installed locally on Windows 11, uninstall it from Font Settings. Those are the two main ways to delete fonts in Photoshop, and using the correct method depends on where the font originally came from. I hope this tutorial made the process clear and easy to follow. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photoshop tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.